1953 Ford F100 short box step side. And listen to this, it's got a Hemi, 354 Hemi powered, 200 R4 automatic transmission behind that, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille. You can see more modern headlight has been installed during the build process of this vehicle. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price, and it may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, as well as a close-up of these chrome wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Kind of a pale yellow, nothing too crazy bright. Neutral or nougat interior. Bench seat. There's room for 3 seating wise if you took out the armrests, and there is seat belts for 3 people up front. Of course, running boards in the step side. Box has been finished off nicely in this one with the wood, bright work. The spare tire is permanently mounted to where it will not slide around, but if you need it, you can sure remove it and use it. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear, you can see the dual exhaust, some pinstriping on the tailgate. As far as the rear end, 9-inch Ford rear end. Up front's a Mustang 2 front end. Also, when we get inside, I want to show you where the B&M lockup is. It's overhead for the converter. One other thing I wanted to point out too, over here on this passenger side, there is a battery charging loom that's right underneath the seat here, where you can plug in a trickle charger, common fitting right here. And the battery location is right underneath right here. And then as well as behind this panel, right back here, there is a battery shutoff. Just to let you know some of the locations of that. You can see the passenger door closes, fits nice. All right, let's come back here. Remember, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side. There's a few little nicks, chips here or there. If you notice up front, there's a little one in the bumper, a couple real small ones, and also one in the door, kind of like here. So some real small spots. Overall, this truck's going to show well. Fun to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And onto the interior. All right, door panels. Nicely done. Matching the interior, vinyl bench seat. And again, kind of a nougat or very light tan color. Seat belts for 3. Headliner, everything done up nicely. There's where I'm talking about that B&M converter. Lock-up control is mounted there for locking in your overdrive. Out on the highway, all right. As far as starting, so here's your vintage air AC controls. I'm going to turn the key here. Take a little peek. We do have late model instrumentation cluster. Push button start is over here. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Starts easily. Alright, this switch right here, fuel pump. That's why I got that on. This is electric fan. Manually turn on and off. As far as gauges, fuel pressure, fuel level, oil pressure, both working, tach working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect water temperature to be up. Voltage, and then of course speedometer and odometer. You can hear that Hemi runs smooth and it sounds good. Slip around to the back. Nothing over the top. No crazy, super loud exhaust, anything like that. $354 Chrysler Hemi. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood so we can check that engine out. And then remember, at the end of the video, you're going to have a little idea what it's like to go down the road in this truck. We'll have a little driving video, so stick around. Alright, here it is, hood popped. Not going to see one looking like this every day. Pretty cool. And you see, nicely and tastefully done. No doubt about that. And that's the ignition in the back, as you can see. Polished and bright work underneath there shows well. And boy, does that run smooth. And remember, power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. 1953 Ford F100 regular cab, step side, short box. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And stick around. This truck's going to go for a quick spin.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1953 Ford F100. Brilliant yellow color, inside and out, with a tan colored seat, door cards, and carpet. Goes very well together. Nice manners in this truck. It has very good power steering, good handling. Acceleration is also good. Nice set of aftermarket gauges, all working. A little bit of wind noise from the driver's door. Tachometer working at 1500 RPM at 55 miles an hour. Oil pressure 60 to 65. Fuel gauge is reading half. Temperature of the water is 170. The battery is charging at about 13 and a half. There is an aftermarket radio in the dash. The power button does not turn that on. We have air conditioning blowing cold right now. On the lower part of the dash is a vacuum gauge, as well as a transmission temperature gauge. Both the transmission temperature is on the bottom of the gauge at 140. The vacuum gauge moves with your throttle. Our windshield wipers do function in this truck. Transmission kicks down nicely and shifts nice and firm. If I let go of the wheel, this truck stays straight in the lane. Very nice steering wheel, also goes well with the truck. Storage compartment with cup holders on the seat. Converter lockup switch on the ceiling. Brakes working well. The right turn signal indicator does work. The left one I think I can hear blinking, it just does not light up. Very cool truck. Nice wood grain bed. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.